Heat? What about heat?
I don't know.
Too
It's
hot?
not. It hasn't been that hot.
Yeah. Well, so far we haven't had any problems with heat or cold. It just seems to be comfortable. Doesn't
And
make
the only
any-
reason we mentioned that is because that's what somebody told us, is that they were, that they smell, that mattresses, that they would smell chemically, and this one doesn't. And that, what was the other thing they said?
Oh, that you might get hot.
Yeah, and we haven't felt that.
No,
either.
and it's supposed to be eco-friendly, so I guess that's why we're not getting smell or off gas or anything like that. And there's no noise. That's part of the, I guess, no movement. So there's no noise from springs or anything where you're getting up and out of the bed.